The Keto-Mojo GK Testing Kit provides clinically reliable glucose and ketone readings that are fast enough for everyday checks and precise enough for serious metabolic tracking. It arrives as a true all-in-one starter bundle with the meter, strips, lancets, and control solutions already included, so you can begin testing right out of the box. The companion smartphone application automatically pulls in your results over Bluetooth, turning raw numbers into clear trends and an easy-to-follow glucose-ketone index. Because each strip is individually sealed and the meter recognizes whether you are testing glucose or ketones, the system minimizes contamination and user mistakes. The device is cleared for home use and backed by a strong warranty, plus responsive United States-based support, which adds confidence for people managing diabetes or ketogenic lifestyles. On top of the hardware, Keto-Mojo offers a surprisingly deep library of educational content, recipes, and how-to guides that help you actually use the data to improve your daily choices.